Welcome woodpeckers to the changing of the blades on the Metabo DH330. We start by lowering the planer in order to access the two screws we need to loosen in order to take the plastic cover off. When the screws are out and the cover is off, we can clearly see the planer and its blades. In order to roll the planer blades, this switch needs to be pushed down. The plastic cover which pushes the switch down therefore also works as a safety feature. We use a number 4 umbraco in order to loosen the 6 screws so that we can access the blade. They can be very tight and I had to make a handle for the umbraco, making it easier and less stressful on the umbraco key. The two springs can just stay in place while you take out the blade. The Metabo blades are sharp on both sides, so if you are in a hurry you can just flip them around and put them back in without the need to sharpen them. And do remember to tighten them very well. You don't want screws flying around in your machine. Push up this little spring, and when you insert the cover you should push down a bit on this plastic here. And remember, this plastic cover goes over the safety switch and pushes it down so the blades will be able to spin. You will have to use some force pushing the cover in order to get the screws into the slot. After both screws are in, push the spring back down and your machine is once again ready to wreak havoc. If this was helpful, I appreciate a thumb and a subscribe. Thank you for watching.